Hello. This is a mother of, first time mother of 15 or 14 survivors. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can do a head count. Hey fellas, get up. And the kids evenly rhyme. That's 14. Wow. 4, 7, 10, 14. First timer. And the nipples are how many? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7.
14.
Okay. So in each nipple goes round. Nice one. Congrats, bro.